Friends, good morning. I am Ajad Gita Prasad Sharma. Friends, recent judgment of Honorable Supreme Court regarding NEET 24 has shocked so many students as well as justice lovers. As you know, there is no doubt that paper leak has taken place in NEET 24 exams, and its connections with so many persons, with so many places have already been established during the investigation of police as well as CBI. Nevertheless, such a judgment of not holding ReNEET has sent shock waves to so many meritorious, laborious NEET aspirants. As you know, Honorable Supreme Court had itself given a word that even 0.01% irregularities found, the NEET aspirants would be given justice. But I think more than this fraction of 0.01% has already been established. So many leak persons who are involved in this leak has already been arrested, and some are still at large despite the involvement of CBI. One of the notorious gangmen of leak, namely Sanjeev Mukhia, is still at large and beyond the arrest of top investigating agency of the country, CBI. So such a judgment just on the premise that this leak is not widespread, it has not been ordered to be re-examined. I think this order is not in the interest of justice. Had the Honorable Supreme Court ordered to hold a token examination, not full ReNEET examination, rather a token examination of at least 100 marks, just to test the merit of toppers, and accordingly merit list would have been made, it would have gone in right direction. So I pray to the Honorable Supreme Court to review its order and give a fresh order in the interest of justice and meritorious aspirants. Thank you.